Right, let's get right into it. So let's found a party here and by this arrow right here, not arrow, button, click on it and add texture. Now by your mouse, when you left click, it basically stays on the side you left it on. So let's left click right here, so it sticks to this side. You can see this orange grain basically works like a decal until you're this point. So in this line texture you can actually add image from your own computer, but I won't be doing that. I will just add texture that I already have uploaded, and here you can pick how often will be the image on the start. So basically the bigger number, the more it is there, and it is horizontally, and this is vertically. Vertical is up and down, and horizontal is left and right. So you can play with it. I actually made a decal from right here. Play with it. When the numbers will be same thing will happen. There will be same number of the images you created, and offset is basically moving it, changing it to what you want more. So for example, right now when I make the number higher, it moves to left because it is horizontal, so left and right, and when I change the vertical to higher number, it goes up and down. It is better visible when I change it in smaller numbers, so you can see it goes up slowly, and the horizontal it's left and right. But this is basically all about textures. One more thing, you can also change colors with decal, but if you want to use textures for a material, I recommend using actual material service, and I actually recorded a video for that, so go check it out. Because if you will use this on some special material, it won't look so great, and it also drains a little bit more your game performance. And if you want to use it as a single image, use a decal. I also recorded a tutorial for that. Now if you want to learn how to build like a pro, go to watch Build Like a Pro series, and if you want to learn how to script also like a pro, go of course watch How to Script Like a Pro series. I think everyone will find something that he can learn from this series, and you will surely save tons of time, because if you would try to learn it by yourself, of course it would take a great amount of time.